feel free.
My mom's birthday, Jesus.
That's Barbara Terry. I was talking to her on the phone several times the other day.
My number one son. Because you're with me.
You're the one. I don't know what good it is. Happy birthday. Someone owed Terry birthday.
Happy things for happy birthday to somebody else.
It's my birthday. They were. A lot of years ago.
Well, the team and I are like ecstatic that our Napa Filters buggy passed inspection. So Dick Dickey, Emery Helms, and myself are here at driver registration, where we have to do our final registration in order to get our wristband, because you can't pull off the start line tomorrow without showing your wristband. We're then going to take the buggy out and kind of shake her out a little bit and find out what needs to be fine-tuned before we pull off the start line tomorrow for the Baja 500. And you have no idea how excited we were to pass that inspection, especially after failing in San Diego last weekend, and my team busting their butt in Los Angeles all week to get the buggy up to par inspection, per school rules. And again, it's all about safety, and that's fine. But I personally am going to try to talk them into grabbing a bite to eat, because I know my camera crew, myself, and everybody must be starving by now. And actually, to get over to the San Nicolas Hotel just now to get to driver registration, we passed all the local vendors with homemade guacamole and fajitas, and it's just pure Baja. When you're down here, you just kind of like lose sight of like the real world. You're just so immersed in everything Baja and the local Mexican flavor, and of course concentrating on the race tomorrow. I know we're going to try to get a good night's sleep tonight, but we'll bring you one more video blog before the end of the day. Hey, it's Barbara Terry. Make sure to check out my new line of car care products on my website, BarbaraTerry.com.